Now let's bring in Mark Grant. Long time since we've seen Mark on the program, but here he is again. Last time you were on the show, you brought us funds that have yields over 10%. Some are yielding more than 50%. And all of them pay a monthly check. Okay. The one you brought us this time, you got a couple, was GOOY. That's a fund that buys calls on Google, and it's said to yield 41%. I've got questions about this, Mark. 41% yield. Is that built in? If I buy it now, I get a 41% yield forever?
Well, Stuart, I mean, funds like stocks change dividends from time to time. So, no, you don't get it forever. But if you buy it right now, that's what you get, 41%.
For how long? For how long?
Well, it depends on how well they do with the calls, but I think for quite a while.
Well, what's their track record?
Our track record is good. They have a several-year track record. They pay dividends every month. They never missed on their dividend, on paying a dividend. Well, and it depends on what happens with the calls, what the size of the dividend is.
Okay. I'm moving on to another one. It's this one buys calls on Amazon. It is, what's that? AMZY, yielding 61%. Same again?
That's correct.
That yield doesn't last forever. It lasts only as good as they play the call market, right?
I know, but when you say it doesn't last forever, that doesn't necessarily mean it's going down. The yield could also go up depending upon what's happening with the calls.
So it depends on how the managers play the calls, right? On their performance.
Correct.
That's what it's all about.
That's what it's all about. I follow about 60 or so funds. They're all listed. They're all in the exchanges. They're all public. And the lowest that I use now currently is over 10%. And some of them, like the two you just identified, are paying outsized yields, and they pay once a month.
The last time you were on the show, you brought us this kind of fund that pays a lot amount of money. We got an enormous number of emails from people who want to contact you. I think the same is going to happen again. Mark Grant, you're all right, and thanks for being on the show today. See what response you get to this. We'll see you later.
It's always a pleasure to be on with you, Stuart.
I hope so, Mark. See you later.